Ce message est destiné à tester les fonctions d'activation d'alarme et d'affichage des nouveaux récepteurs radio-météo.
The Environment Canada forecast issued at 11 a.m. Wednesday, July 4th for today and Thursday. City of Toronto, humidex advisory in effect. For today, a mix of sun and cloud. 40% chance of showers. High 33, except 27 along the lakeshore. UV index 8 or very high. For tonight, clear. Low 19. For Thursday, sunny. High 32, except 26 along the lakeshore. City of Hamilton, humidex advisory in effect. For today, a mix of sun and cloud with 40% chance of showers and risk of a thunderstorm. High 32, UV index 7 or high. For tonight, partly cloudy with 40% chance of showers early this evening and risk of a thunderstorm. Clearing this evening. Low 17. For Thursday, sunny. High 32. Extended forecast, Friday, sunny. Low 21. High 35. For Saturday, cloudy with 60% chance of showers. Low 20. High 28. For Sunday, sunny. Low 19. High 28. For Monday, sunny. Low 14. High 27. For Tuesday, sunny. Low 15, high 27. Normals for the period, low 16, high 27. The Environment Canada forecast issued at 11:24 a.m. Wednesday, July 4th for today and Thursday. Burlington, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, humidex advisory in effect. For today, a mix of sun and cloud. 40% chance of showers with risk of a thunderstorm. High 33, except 27 along the lakeshore. UV index 8 or very high. For tonight, clear. Low 17. For Thursday, sunny. High 33, except 27 along the lakeshore. Halton Hills, Milton, Caledon, humidex advisory in effect. For today, a mix of sun and cloud. 40% chance of showers with risk of a thunderstorm. High 32, UV index 8 or very high. For tonight, clear. Low 17. For Thursday, sunny. High 33. Orangeville, Grand Valley, Southern Dufferin County, humidex advisory in effect. For today, a mix of sun and cloud. 30% chance of showers. High 32, UV index 8 or very high. For tonight, clear. Low 14. For Thursday, sunny. High 35. Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, humidex advisory in effect. For today, a mix of sun and cloud. 30% chance of showers. High 32, UV index 8 or very high. For tonight, clear. Low 17. For Thursday, sunny. High 32. Pickering, Oshawa, Southern Durham Region, humidex advisory in effect. For today, a mix of sun and cloud. 30% chance of showers. High 31, except 26 along the lakeshore. UV index 8.
Ceci est un message test émis tous les premiers mercredis du mois à midi sur Radio Météo Canada. Ce message...
Weather Radio Canada's monthly test of your alert-equipped weather radio, broadcast near noon, the first Wednesday un message test émis tous les premiers mercredis du mois à midi sur Radio Météo Canada. Ce message est destiné à tester les fonctions d'activation d'alarme des récepteurs Radio Météo.
Ceci est un message test émis tous les premiers mercredis du mois à midi sur Radio Météo Canada. Ce message est destiné à tester les fonctions d'activation d'alarme des récepteurs Radio Météo. You are listening to Weather Radio Canada's monthly test of your alert-equipped weather radio, broadcast near noon, the first Wednesday of each month.